The northeastern states of India, particularly Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Manipur, have been severely impacted by Cyclone Remal. In Meghalaya, 5 people lost their lives due to landslides triggered by the extreme weather. Kermenshila, the Minister of Revenue and Disaster Management, Government of Meghalaya, addressed the media, stating that the state government is actively assessing the situation on the ground. He announced that the families of those who died in the cyclone would receive an ex gratia payment of rupees 4 lakhs.
Ex gratia will be 4 lakh per person. Yeah, for to confirm that.
So, what is the major challenge that they are facing to retrieve these bodies?
I really don't know exactly because tomorrow we'll go and visit personally. Then tomorrow we can confirm. We have to ask the team SDRF is still on the job and different line department. They are doing the best to recover the dead bodies. So we couldn't be able to do it as of now.
Kermenshila also mentioned that the State Disaster Response Force or the SDRF and other relevant departments are working together to improve road conditions in Lumshnong East Jaintia Hills, aiming to restore connectivity in the affected areas.
Yeah, actually, yesterday I met in person with the Deputy Commissioner East Jaintia Hills. So in front of me, I have seen that he directed those officers present on the ground and then tell them to find support also from different companies because the area which are affected is nearby the cement plant. So he contacted them and then tried to ask from excavator machines and then different kind of support from them so that it can be support to those people nearby. So I've seen he's trying his job and he did the best he can, but as of now we cannot say anything what is the situation because we have not received any updates yet, but they are fighting to recover back when it comes to road condition in East Jaintia Hills.